Hello guys, welcome back. Here I have the LG K10 2017 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on this device and bypass or remove pattern or password protection. Start by holding the power key for a few seconds until the menu appears, then choose power off and confirm. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Then use the combination of power key and volume down, hold them together. As soon as the LG logo appears, release the power key for about 2 seconds, then hold it again. The factory data reset menu will appear. Use the volume keys to navigate and power to confirm. Scroll down to Yes and press power to confirm. The device will erase all personal data and settings. The process will be completed when the LG welcome screen appears. The welcome screen appears, meaning the hard reset is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.